Ermda.
Sarap ng feeling kasi yun nga, 4 years kong hinintay itong opportunity na to. Nung nag-silver kami noong 2021, parang may chip on my shoulder na yun. So, nung nanalo kami, I mean, it was a good revenge naman or redemption para sa, di lang para sa akin kasi may mga teammates din ako ng time na yun. This is all for them, Coach Shot as well.
Obviously, it was a special,
Merry Christmas, congrats Gio.
obviously special run to for you guys.
Congrats.
Knowing yung mga pinagdaanan nyo, even before the tournament, yun, just reflections on yung adversities na narap nyo.
Yes, well for me, yun nga, alam namin na yung coaching staff sa yung management medyo nahirapan dun sa preparation period kasi nga pinabago nila yung lineup, pinabago nila yung rules sa SEA Games. So they had a hard time but it gave us motivation to win it for them kasi pinahirapan nila yung coaching staff natin and we wanted to do it for them.
Okay, congrats.
Thank you, Coach.
Buhay.
Thank you, Coach.
What's next for you?
Ayun, good question kasi kanina tinanong din sa akin yun but I'm still not sure, you know. I'm a free agent now pero we'll still see with my agent ano yung offers na mabibigay maybe within the next week or two, then that's when we'll see. Shout out Simon and Cecil, the killer, man.
First, can you just talk about yung ano lang, parang crack mo in trying to make the EuroLeague and how it turned out for you, ano yung experience doon?
Yeah, it was an amazing experience para sa akin. Kahit di siya natuloy. I mean, I left the team early, but it was still an experience for me to be able to at least play with the guys, be in an environment na talagang kumbaga iron sharpens iron na environment and everyone's always going 100%. Congrats. Yun, I mean, great feeling. Mga idol ko dati naging teammate ko sila, Dwayne Bacon, naging kaibigan ko. We got Davis Bertans, I just used to watch before. But yeah, I mean, ultimately it's a great blessing kasi nakaka-inspire siya. Now I know what it takes to play at that level. How hard they work and how crazy they prepare kasi doon na feel ko talaga doon mo makikita na ball is life. Gosh, ganun. They live and breathe basketball and that's a great experience for me to see.
Kurt, kumbaga ikaw yung trailblazer sa mga Filipino import. Ano masasabi mo na sobrang dami nila ngayon sa ito?
I'm very happy that we were able to open another option and sana mas marami pa and like I hope congrats kuya. So good to see you and sana mas malayo pa yung marating yung mga younger guys. Hopefully, you never know.
Saudi daya ka rin.
Okay no. Ayun nga, kasama tayo.
Imports abroad.
Ayun, sana mas malayo pa yung marating nila kasi yun naman yung goal. Coach, I tried to go for it, so the rest will go for it.
With that being said, homecoming for you? You're at home, ano pa ba?
Ngayon? Well, I mean, I'm just home. Nice to spend time with the family and it's a break from my usual routine kasi 6 years na ako. Usually wala ako dito sa Philippines at this time of the year. Ito na yung time na talaga pa-start na yung second half ng season. So yung routine mo, clockwork na, everything is routine-based and nakafocus ka. But now it's like a different break. So it's a good feeling na makasama yung family mo sa Christmas.
What's up, Bob Lanamis?
Romy,
What's up, Chuck? My roommate, dalang pera nito. Naku, mas marami yan. Thank you.
Maybe next week.
Wala pa naman. Just to see the options. Of course, PBA will always be on my radar. It's always been a thing for me. But we have to weigh all the options out. Once na mag-usap kami na agent ko, doon na malalaman yung mga possible na gawin. Interviews.
Salamat.